A man has been charged after he allegedly set fire to the home of an ex-girlfriend on Shallow Road in Kingston on Monday, June 17. Charged with arson and 2 counts of attempted murder is 46-year-old Nicholas Rhodes, otherwise called Nick of Kingston 20. Reports from the Hunts Bay police are that about 6:30 a.m., Rhodes went to the home of a woman who he had a relationship with in an effort to rekindle the relationship. It is alleged that when Rhodes' request was not met, he locked himself inside the house with the woman and her daughter and set the house on fire. Neighbors reported hearing the woman's cry for help and summoned the police. The occupants of the house were transported to hospital for treatment. Rhodes was subsequently charged. His court date is being arranged. A man died from injuries sustained in a 4-vehicle collision on the Carey Park Main Road in Falmouth, Trelawney on Friday. He is 21-year-old Ashawn Murphy, a bank teller of Ritchie Avenue, Kingston 8. Police say the crash, which occurred about 2:50 p.m., involved a blue 2015 Honda Civic motor car driven by Murphy, a grey 2011 Subaru Legacy motor car, a grey Toyota Voxy car, and a blue 2019 Ford Ranger motor truck. According to lawmen, Murphy was traveling in a westerly direction along the Carey Park Main Road, while the other vehicles were traveling in the opposite direction. It is alleged that Murphy lost control of the vehicle and crashed into the blue Ford Ranger motor truck. The police were called to the scene and the wounded people were taken to hospital where Murphy was pronounced dead. A man was arrested and a firearm seized at a wake in Comfort Hall, Manchester on Sunday morning. Police said about 2:14 a.m. the man, a 29-year-old construction worker of Castleton District in Balaclava, St. Elizabeth, was among a group of people at a wake in Comfort Hall when he was reportedly observed acting suspiciously. Police said he was searched and a Glock pistol with 9 rounds of ammunition was reportedly taken from his waistband. He was taken into custody and is to face an identification parade.